Hello, this video is a short explanation how to use the call hierarchy feature inside the Bash editor Eclipse plugin. Here we have some sample code, a Bash script and 3 different submodules. The test script does source submodule 1 and 3 and calls some functions. Let's take a glance. I press Ctrl and the left mouse button to jump into say hello function. The hello function is located at submodule 1. Okay, let's link. So, submodule 1 sources submodule 2. And the reason is we want to have a build greetings call, this one, and which sets a variable, and the fallback is none. So, okay. And back to the test script. There's another method. Again, I press Ctrl and the left mouse button to jump in. I got here the function show bye bye message. And after all, we have a say hello and a bye bye message. Let's look if it works. If it runs, run as a bash script. And here we are. We got the hello message and a bye bye. So, and maybe we are inside a submodule and we want to know who is calling the submodule, which script calls it, or uses or references it. So you go inside the editor and you just press the right mouse button, you got the context menu, and you open the bash call hierarchy by this menu item. Here we see that our submodule 3 is referenced by our test script at 2 locations. First is the sourcing, and the second one is the comment. So also comments are mentioned here inside. Going to submodule 2 and locating somewhere in the editor and open it again, we'll see that we are on submodule 2. Submodule 2 is used by submodule 1, and submodule 1 again our test script as before. So this is more interesting when you want to know about which module is used by which script, etc., or calling. Sometimes you also want to know which function is used by other scripts, and you have to select the function and say open bash call hierarchy, and you see here now that the function build greetings from submodule 2 is used by the function say hello, and this one again is called by the script. So you also have a function call hierarchy. You can choose if you want the function call hierarchy when you select the function and press the right mouse button and open the call hierarchy, or you just click inside the editor and open it again. So you got the more global view, and you don't see which function exactly calls which function. When you are using this view and you press this button, you can toggle between the scope. At this scope, we are only at one project. If you toggle it, you will see you got 3 blue bullets, and the source, the tooltip says it searches the complete workspace, and it's pretty much clear. When you have a test project like mine, and you have sys mode active, the color here will only look inside this project. When you enable this option and you look at the complete workspace, when you got another project, maybe test project 2, and you are referencing scripts from test project 2 inside this one, you will see it in the color as well. And this was the explanation. Thank you.